If you are a coffee lover looking for the perfect brewing companion, this 304 stainless steel French press coffee maker might just be the solution you've been seeking. Combining functionality, durability, and style, this French press promises to elevate your coffee experience, whether you're at home, in the office, or out camping. With its 4-level filter system, heat-resistant borosilicate glass, and versatile use, it stands out as an excellent choice for coffee enthusiasts who demand quality without sacrificing convenience. Imagine waking up in the morning and instead of rushing to the coffee shop, you brew a rich, smooth, and aromatic cup of coffee right in your kitchen. With the French press coffee maker, you can experience a level of control over your coffee that automatic machines simply can't offer. Its 4-filter system ensures that you get a pure, smooth cup of coffee every time, free from the bitterness or grit that some brewing methods leave behind. The stainless steel construction adds to its appeal, offering both style and longevity. The sleek look and polished finish make this French press an attractive addition to any kitchen. But it's not just about looks. This coffee press is built to last, with materials that resist rust, corrosion, and deformation. Whether you're using it daily or saving it for special occasions, this French press is designed to stand the test of time. Versatility is key when choosing a coffee maker, and the French press coffee maker excels in this department. While it is primarily designed for brewing coffee, it can also be used to make tea or even to froth milk. Whether you're craving a smooth cup of tea or need a quick way to make frothy milk for your latte, this coffee press has you covered. Its 21-ounce capacity is perfect for brewing up to 3 to 4 cups at a time, making it ideal for personal use, sharing with friends, or hosting small gatherings. It's suitable for a range of activities, from cozy mornings at home to family get-togethers and even outdoor adventures like camping. Wherever you go, you can take your love for freshly brewed coffee with you. One of the most important aspects of any kitchen appliance is the materials used, and the French press coffee maker is made from top-quality 304 stainless steel, ensuring that it is both rust-resistant and durable. In addition, it features thickened borosilicate glass, which is known for its ability to withstand high temperatures. This makes the French press not only durable but also safe for daily use. The BPA-free plastic used in the design ensures that you are brewing your coffee or tea in a chemical-free environment, giving you peace of mind that every cup is pure and free from harmful substances. Whether you're brewing your morning coffee or an afternoon tea, you can trust that this French press is both safe and reliable. One of the standout features of this French press is its 4-level filter system. Unlike many other coffee presses that only use a single or double filter, this French press uses 4 stainless steel screens to ensure a cleaner, smoother brew. 2 of these screens are placed separately and can be easily swapped or replaced when needed. With this advanced filtering technology, you can say goodbye to coffee grounds in your cup. The 99% filtration efficiency ensures that every cup of coffee or tea you brew is smooth, rich, and flavorful. You'll enjoy the full-bodied taste without any of the grit that can often slip through in other brewing methods. Cleaning a French press can sometimes be a hassle, but with this design, it's a breeze. The glass carafe can be easily disassembled, allowing for a thorough cleaning after each use. Key parts, such as the plunger and filter, are even dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. Purchasing any product online can sometimes feel risky, but with this French press, you have the added assurance of excellent customer support. The 24-hour customer service is available to address any questions or concerns you might have about your French press. Should you receive a damaged product, particularly given the fragile nature of glass, the company offers replacement glass beakers, so you never have to worry about being stuck with a broken piece. Why you should buy this French press? In a world full of coffee-making gadgets, the French press coffee maker, with 304 stainless steel and borosilicate glass, stands out for its combination of quality, functionality, and value. Its 4-level filtration system provides one of the smoothest coffee experiences you can get from a home brewer. With the ability to brew tea, froth milk, and withstand everyday wear and tear, this French press is a versatile and reliable option for anyone who enjoys quality beverages. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur looking to upgrade your brewing process, or someone who simply wants a reliable coffee maker for home or travel, this French press offers everything you need in a compact, durable package. And with excellent customer service, you can purchase with confidence, knowing that help is just a message away if you need it. Final thoughts. The French press coffee maker, with 304 stainless steel and 4-level filter system, is more than just a coffee maker. It's an experience. Its sleek design, high-quality materials, and ease of use make it a fantastic addition to any coffee lover's kitchen. Plus, with its ability to brew tea, froth milk, and go wherever you go, this French press is a versatile tool that adds value to your daily routine. Whether you're a casual coffee drinker or a dedicated enthusiast, this French press delivers a superior brew with every cup. Don't miss out on the chance to make every morning cup of coffee a little more special. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.